Okay, so here we are with our first step in the sourdough bread. We start out by putting just a little dollop of sourdough starter. Don't need very much, just kind of a tablespoon essentially. And then we have our water and our flour mixture. We add the water first so that we can disperse the starter into the water, and you'll see it actually starts to color the water a little bit. I just make sure it'll be more evenly distributed once we start mixing the flour in with it. So just a minute or so of stirring until most of it has dissolved in the water. Okay, then our flour mixture. And you can use your hands, but I find a wooden spoon works well. And basically just need to roughly mix this to make sure all of the flour is absorbed into the liquid. So scraping down the sides a little bit so you have relatively clean sides when we actually are letting it rise. So it makes for a nice shaggy mess, but that's the idea. Getting dry flour off the bottom is usually the hardest part, so make sure you scrape down to the bottom and maybe rotate it a little bit to get the wet stuff down there to pick up the dry flour. Okay, and once it's holding together like this, we're ready. I usually have a spoon handy just to scrape it off the wooden spoon, and you basically just want it to be a big glob looking like that. And then we're going to take that and cover it. You can cover it with anything, a plate, beeswax wrap, and that's going to go into our proofing box over here. Okay,